want to make healthy cookies based on sesame seeds, and for these cookies we only need 3 ingredients. We need sesame seeds, honey, and egg white. You only need 1 bowl, and you mix all together the ingredients and you mix well. You need little bit times for mix this until well combined. Form the dough with a spoon and transfer onto the baking sheet. Flatten and make round the dough with a spoon. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you bake this for 10 until 12 minutes. You have to let the cookies cool first before you touch them. Now I want to try these cookies. This is really delicious. I love this. I eat this for my breakfast or for my afternoon snack. If you like sesame seeds, you have to try this recipe. It's really good. This is chewy cookies and not so sweet. If you like sweet cookies, you can add 1 or 2 more tablespoons of honey. Thanks for watching. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.